The 2008 CR-V. CR-V, a top recommended vehicle because of its car-like driving manners, good value, cool technology, and comfy interior, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: CD changer, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, traction control, stability control, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, driver airbag, aluminum wheels. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.